Alrighty, Joe, your 427 Stone Block Ford gives Christmas combination at the Edelbrock manifold on it. Obviously got the Sniper 2 system. Everything works flawlessly. We got it all, your stuff all hooked up. So basically we've tested everything for you, so, which we do all the time. Front end on it, make sure the alternator charges. Custom ground hydraulic roller. It's got one of our Eagle crank and rods and custom Racetec Pistons assembly in it. Got the rear Marshall oil pan. Nice unit. We'll go over and make a run and see what she does. Stay tuned. Okey-doke, 3,400, 491 foot-pounds of torque, torque 550, peak horsepower 510, rated 500. It's got a front end on it, so it runs really good. So what we'll do is balance, pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you, show you a couple of things. When you see Bryn, you'll find the thing looks like a credit card, USB card, full of technical information. On the engine will be this tag. It'll have an engine number. That's the easiest way for us to look you up. If you need anything from us, flip it over. It's got a QR code that'll take you to some more tech stuff. Have a great day.